Hello everybody. Today we are back with a very good session explaining the radiological features of NCCT brain, which is showing an intracerebral bleed. Let's have a look at the CT scan. Here you can make a note of a very large intracerebral bleed or intraparenchymal bleed present in the right side hemisphere of the brain. It is most probably originating from the external capsular region. So let us look at the signs of raised ICP on a CT scan of brain. The first thing that we will be able to notice clear cut here, there is a midline shift. Here there is a gross midline shift which is causing the compression of the ipsilateral ventricles and also the dilatation of the contralateral ventricles. And here you can see the edema, perilesional edema around the intracerebral bleed. This blackish area is the perilesional edema. This area is usually the infarcted area surrounding the bleed, which is caused by the compression of the bleed. The bleed looks white on the CT scan, which means that is an acute intracerebral hemorrhage. Apart from that, what are the other signs which demonstrates the raised ICP? Here, this is the region of the temporal lobe. You can see the medial border of the temporal lobe, which is the uncus. The uncus has already started prolapsing towards the brainstem. In this case, the uncal herniation on radiological imaging is a sign of raised ICP. Apart from that, if you go to the superficial cuts, you can see the edema over here, and which is causing the obscuration of the sulcal spaces on the ipsilateral side. Here you can make a clear notice of the sulcal spaces here, which are absent on the side of the bleed, which demonstrates features of raised ICP. If you go down here, the ambient cistern on the contralateral side is visible, whereas the ambient cistern on the ipsilateral side is compressed. To watch more educational content like this, follow our channel. Thank you for subscribing.